Unusual and hard to find villa on an oversized, beautifully landscaped corner lot with a fully fenced yard and private swimming pool. Remodeled 2 years ago to include new kitchen, baths, flooring, AC ducts, knockdown ceilings, doors, water heater, pool filter and salt system. This open floor plan home is light and bright with lots of windows and sliders. The kitchen offers beautiful cabinetry with glass insert doors, convenient large pull-out drawers, turntable corners, cement-look quartz countertops with a long breakfast bar, stainless appliances, and reverse osmosis water filtration. The open dining area looks out to the cozy atrium, perfect for your morning coffee. The large living room with vaulted ceilings takes you out to the screened porch and fenced yard with an in-ground, saltwater swimming pool. The master bedroom is in the back of the home and also has sliders to the porch. The master bath has a single vanity with drawers to hold all of your personal items and a large luxury tiled shower. The hall bath with a single vanity and deep bathtub is right next to the second bedroom, which is a nice size. This home has gray, 24 inches by 24 inches porcelain tiles throughout. AC 2014, roof 2013. Cedarwood Village is a very nice, tree-lined community. Great location, right off Linebaugh Avenue and Gunn Highway, just a block from North Dale Mabry with all of